I mash the overripe banana until it becomes pulpy. You can also use the normal banana, but this is a great way to make use of your overripe bananas in order to avoid waste. In a mixing bowl, I add the flour, a sprinkle of salt, some sugar, and I mix together until properly combined. In a separate mixing bowl, I crack open an egg and I give it a good whisk. After which I add some milk and I stir to properly combine. I add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and I stir again. Finally, I pour in the mashed banana and I stir. I make a well in the dry ingredients and I pour in the wet ingredients. I fold together until it is perfectly combined. At this point, you would notice that the batter is a bit lumpy, but don't worry, it's not going to disturb anything. Once the batter is properly combined, I fry on medium-low heat, coating the pan with little oil. You fry each side for about 2 minutes or until it is slightly browned. The full list of the ingredients is in the description, so go over there to check it out, okay? So guys, the banana pancakes is ready. Kindly like my video and subscribe. Remember to turn on your notification. Thank you for watching. Bye.